Good evening, everyone. Now we are going to start the lesson limits. So, what the first point? First point is neighborhood of a point A. So, neighborhood of a point A, left neighborhood, right neighborhood, deleted neighborhood. These things also we can discuss here. So neighborhood of A means for any real number A is a number, for any real number A, if there exists any positive quantity, small positive quantity, for example, for any A belongs to real, there exists some positive quantity, suppose some delta is a positive quantity means above 0. So for any real number A, there exists a positive quantity, that means delta is greater than 0, such that so these two combinations, such that the open interval A minus delta, open interval A minus delta to A plus delta. So the open interval A minus delta to A plus delta is the interval. Actually open interval we know already, that is suppose 3, 4 is the open interval. So it's from between 3 to 4. The values lies between 3 to 4. So in the same manner, A is a real number, delta is some positive quantity, there A minus delta to A plus delta. So we are taking the values between them. So this is called neighborhood of A. So neighborhood means nothing but some open interval. Just that is some open interval. That is. So if you take any number x, that should be lies between A minus delta to A plus delta. So then x is belongs to the open interval A minus delta to A plus delta. So this open interval is called neighborhood. This open interval is called neighborhood of A. This delta is positive quantity. In the number line, if you are represented like this, for example, A is a real number, some distance, some delta distance in the left side having some A minus delta value. In the same manner, some delta distance from right side of A, it is number, suppose A plus delta, from A minus delta to A plus delta. So this is called neighborhood of A with radius delta. So from A left side and right side with same distance, from A to left side, from A to right side in the same distance, delta distance. So that interval is called open interval. So this is called neighborhood of A. So right. Okay, here A is the point, any real number. From delta distance, in the left side is point located A minus delta. From A to right side distance, delta distance, that's point located A plus delta. Now from A minus delta to A is called A minus delta to A. This is also open interval, is called left neighborhood. In the same manner, A is the point from right side with the delta distance is a point located A plus delta. The open interval from A to A plus delta. So A to A plus delta, we are considered from A to A plus delta. So this is called right neighborhood. That's why A to A plus delta, the open interval A to A plus delta is called right neighborhood of A. If suppose from point A, from left side a minus delta, from right side a plus delta. So write a minus delta to a and a to a plus delta. We are splitting into two intervals. The a minus delta to a plus delta can be splitting into two intervals, that is a minus delta to a is the open interval, union a to a plus delta. So this is called deleted neighborhood. Deleted neighborhood. So right. So overall neighborhood means if you take any real number a, there exists some positive quantity. What is the positive quantity value? As always 0.0001, 0.0002, something, just some positive quantity. Positive quantity means it above the zero value, that's enough. Such that, so the open interval from a minus delta to a plus delta, in the number line we are observing here, a is the point. From delta distance, left side is located one point. From delta same distance, right side also located one more point. Now a minus delta to a plus delta, this interval is called neighborhood of the a. From left side of a, you can take the open interval, that is left neighborhood. From right side of the open interval is taken as, that is right neighborhood. Without a, excluding a, here a minus delta to a plus delta, here except a, we don't no need to take the a value, only left neighborhood, right neighborhood. These two combinations is called deleted neighborhood. Deleted neighborhood. So this is the first point of the limits concept, neighborhood. So neighborhood of a is denoted as neighborhood of a with delta radius. So what is the meaning? It is neighborhood of a with delta radius is equal to, in the set Builder form, set of x such that a minus delta less than x less than a plus delta. So what is our values is between a minus delta to a plus delta. So this is called neighborhood notation. Neighborhood of any number, any real number, we are consider these set Builder form. For example, neighborhood of 5 with 0.01. So now how it is taken as this neighborhood, how we can form the interval. So here 5 is our required number, 5. So how much distance? 0.01. So 0. Suppose we are, for our convenience, we are taken from here 0.01 distance. So now it is 5 minus 0.01. It is also 0.01 distance, it located as 5.01. Otherwise 5 plus 0.01. Okay, now the interval is 5 minus 0.01 to 5 plus 0.01. So in between we are adjusting infinity many points, but this interval is called neighborhood of 5 with radius 0.01. So that is the meaning for neighborhood of any number, any real number on the number line. We are representing like this. Okay, let's see one more example. Neighborhood of 2 with 0.5. So how to take this one, neighborhood of 2 with 0.5? So simple, this neighborhood is the open interval, that is 2 minus 0.5 to 2 plus 0.5, like this, it's over. So the meaning n of 2 with base like this, and just we are imagine like that for recalling. Neighborhood of 2 with radius 0.5. Neighborhood of 2 with radius 0.5 means 2 is the our value. So 0.5 is the taken from left side right side distances. So that's why 2 minus 0.5. Now right side value 2 plus 0.5. So this is the left side border edge. It's a right side edge or open interval endpoints, extremes like this. So now it is a manner to take the neighborhood of any point.